Hey everybody, my name is Bianca, and I just really quickly wanted to stop by and drop this video for it to be a blessing for whoever may be definitely in the midst of trading. Maybe you're brand new to the trading world. Maybe you've been trading, but you've been trading in the dark, meaning that you don't have a plan. You pretty much are just like, jumping into the market. Whatever happens, happens, right? I want to say stop. Stop, be intentional about your success, be intentional about your money. You understand what I'm saying? And have a trading plan. This trading plan that I'm going to break down to you in these 5 simple steps are specifically for HFX. If you don't know, HFX stands for high frequency foreign exchange, right? And this is where we trade on binary options, and it's for time expiration. Okay, this means that we're trading 1-minute trades, 2-minute trades, 3-minute trades. What I mean by trading is that we are trading currencies, different countries' currencies. It's not only currencies, there are stocks that are traded, there are cryptocurrencies that are traded, there are commodities that are traded as well. But me specifically today, I'm going to be talking about HFX trading. Really quick, 5 very simple rules, okay? You may want to grab a pen and a piece of paper to kind of write this down. If not, press record or save so that you can definitely return to this in the future. Yeah, you can return to this in the future. All right, so the first thing I want to talk about, number 1, is to relax. Okay, relax. Be positive, right? Go into this space with your affirmations. Go in your space after you have spoken to, our creator and thanked him in advance that he finna bless you with these coins. You feel me? Relax and be positive. Let you understand that you are an investor. You are investing. Okay? You are not trading your time for money. You are allowing your money to trade and work for itself. All right? Pay attention. In this environment, you want to pay attention to the percentage. We are not adding, we are multiplying, okay? It's percentage that we're dealing with, right? So whenever you're multiplying and you're dealing with percents, it's always going to be at a greater value, all right? So that's really key for you to understand, because when you start doing compounding and you start looking at, my 10% of $1,000, my 10% of 100,000, my 10% of 10 million, right? Because these are real numbers that you can acquire within the market, right? You want to make sure that you stay consistent. When you have a plan, the same way you have a work schedule, the same way you have a school schedule, the same way you have other social obligations, you stick to it. You make sure you're there. You want to make sure that you show up for yourself. You want to stay consistent, right? You want to have a consistent environment to trade in, meaning that, your trading space is your peace, is your solace, right? You don't want to try to concentrate on trying to hear instructors call out certain trade ideas and it's like, oh, did he say 8 or did he say 9? Did he say green or did he say red? Put or sell. Like, you don't want those type of distractions because they can be very, very costly. Okay. You also want to make sure your environment is, affirmations and positive energy flowing, because I'm telling you from experience, I have tried to trade fresh off of argument. I have tried to trade being angry, just having a disposition, or just thinking that instead of me calming my nerves and clearing my thoughts, I could just come in, hurry up and jump on a session, hurry up and jump in and out. No, because 1.5 or 1A of relax and be positive is be patient. Okay, be patient. The market goes in 2 directions for those of you that don't know, but for those of you that do know, it goes up and it goes down. It's going to go up, and when it goes up as high as it's going to go, it's going to come back down, right? So all we have to do is be patient. We're not chasing. No, we are attracting the market. We are telling the market that it's coming to where we are. You feel me? And so because of that, this is how we acquire a skill. Okay? This is not luck. This is not luck of the draw, or I hope something happens. This is, I know it's going to happen, and I'm sitting right here until it happens. And when it does, ooh, how sweet it is, right? Number 2 is risk management, family. Risk management is hella important. It's hella important because I always equivalent the market as being somebody that either one needs a nap or one that just woke up from a nap. And what I mean by that is when you are tired, right? On Friday, the market closes at 5 p.m. When you tired, you irritable. You ain't nothing funny. You really ain't trying to be bothered. You might say anything. Okay, well, the market move kind of funky like that, right? And Sunday, when it opens back up at 5, it's the same way. It just woke up. You have how many people say, oh, I'm really not a morning person, or oh, I don't this, that, and the third before 12, or oh, I need my coffee before I start talking. Like, it's moody like that, right? So on those days, that Sunday and that Sunday and that Friday, you want to make sure that you are practicing cautious risk management. Risk management is pretty much what is it that you are able to risk. What is your risk factor? Well, how much money you putting up in this particular trade, right? So on those days, you want to lower your percentage. You want to lower the risk, right? Because it may not go in your favor. It may be news popping off. It may be, it could be whatever it could be, but you want to be intentional. You want to be on purpose. You want to be deliberate and lower the risk. Lower the amount that you possibly may lose if the trade doesn't go in your favor. Okay, that's cool, right? The other thing to really, really keep in mind is that if you lose 2 trades in a row, be done for that session, right? You may hear some, depending on who you are getting direct mentorship from, some people say if you lose 2 trades, period, you're done. Whether it be back to back or whether it be the first and the last, you're done for that session, right? Because I guess losing is losing. It don't matter if it happened back to back. It don't matter if it happened back to back or if it happened once in the daytime, once in the evening time. You still lost. Be done, right? And that's very, very important because sometimes we can get into what they call emotional trading, right? Emotional money definitely is handled by our psychological habits, the habits that we tend to be a part of and that money is attached to us. So when we begin to emotionally trade, the brokers know. They know, trust me, they know when you're chasing a trade rather than attracting a trade. So you just really want to make sure that you're not married to this money. There's no situationship popping off with these trades. This money, listen, money is printed every minute of the day. It might even be in seconds. I don't really got that lowdown on it, but I know it's printed for sure every minute of the day. So, and then we're in the largest financial liquid market there is in the entire world. Almost $8 trillion a day is circulating. We don't have to chase nothing. It is in a constant rotation. Always remember that, right? Be familiar with your surroundings. And if you're in the financial market, if you're in the foreign exchange market, you want to be aware that you don't have to chase it. It's going to come back, right? The other flip side to that is because this is a trading plan, once you've reached, look, I got company coming in, y'all. Once you've reached your goal for the day, be done. Why? Because you've reached your goal. That's just like when Siri tell you, oh, you have arrived. You don't keep driving. Hey, you don't keep driving. You're done. You turn the car off. You're out the car, right? It's no different. You're driving to your success. You're driving to those clears. You're driving to your profit. Once you arrive there for the day, be done, okay? You want to make sure that you secure your bag for the day. You're done. You're feeling good. It didn't take 8 hours. It didn't take 5 hours. Now go be great, okay? Number 3, right? It's not going to fall. Number 3 is the payouts. The payouts, family. We're dealing with percentage payouts, right? And binary options with high frequency foreign exchange, we're dealing with high payouts, right? So that means that at any given moment, because of the fluctuation of currency, right? Currency pairs, there may be currencies that are only paying out profits of 60%, 50% sometimes, 85% sometimes, right? We want the higher percentage payout. We want it to make sense. We want our trades that we take to make sense, right? So that means 80 cents on a dollar, 70 cents on a dollar. Over here at Powerhouse, we always are going to teach our mentees or the people that, our customers and our families, we're always going to teach and replicate the fact that we're doing 70% or higher, okay? We want it to make sense. Now, does that fluctuate sometimes? Absolutely, because you may have a pair that's moving really, really nice and the payout is 68%. Yeah, I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna take that. It's not a problem, right? But we don't want to put our money in nothing that where the payout is 50%. No. And it's nothing wrong with if you do. I'm just telling you what we do over here. All right. We want to make it make sense. Then we have number 4, have a goal. This is what this whole plan is about. Have a goal. My daily goal is 10%. I want to grow my account 10% every single day, 5 days out the week, and reinvesting 100% of my profits for 60 days. Last time I checked, that was about a good 20,000. Okay, give or take. I'm good with that because let me tell you something. I've never in my life had the opportunity of looking forward to in 2 months getting a bag like that. Okay, so let me tell you what that's going to do for me. That's going to boost my confidence through the roof. And, you know, I'm going to up my score. I'm going to up my score. I'm going to up it at that point. I'm going to reset another goal for another 30,000. Whatever the case may be, I'm here for a good time, for a long time. You understand what I'm saying? So pretty much when you have a goal, like I said before, up in number 2, once you get to your daily goal, be done, right? But have a goal. When you leave out the house, you have a destination. When you in school, you have a goal, you know what I'm saying, which is graduation. Like when you in a relationship, you have a goal to be happy, drama free, no BS, right? So this should be no different. When you trading, when you dealing with your coins, you definitely supposed to have a goal, all right? So have a goal, whatever that is. Have a reason why you're here. All right. What are you trying to accomplish? What is it that you're trying to, reinvest in? Like, why are you here? That definitely is somewhere to start. And then number 5 is have a plan. Okay. Having a goal is one thing, but you got to know how you're going to get to that goal. So have a plan, right? I have on here first month, choose one and only one Go Live educator that fits your schedule, right? Tune in to that educator on every scheduled session, making sure you're entering all of the trades that are being presented as official trades, right? So that right there is for those of you that are definitely with educators or mentors, or you are on, with some type of educational platform where they have, educators that are showing you, that are teaching you, right? So here in I Am Mastery Academy, thank you, baby. Here at I Am Mastery Academy, we have the privilege of having master traders, okay, every single day of the week, Sunday through Saturday, that are teaching us about some form of trading within the foreign exchange market. When I tell you I am so grateful to be on this platform with educators that I can speak to in live, right? In live time, in real time. You get what I'm saying? They are, they're accessible to me. These are master traders that already had to reach a certain level of criteria to even be considered on this platform, right? Either it was their bank accounts in combination with the education, multiplied by the time that they put in work, the amount of work that they have put in on, as far as making sure that the camp eats. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with trusting their trade ideas. I'm cool with, the diversity that's on this platform that allows me, okay, so I'm not 20 no more. So maybe I can't listen to the 20-year-old educator that, is too crunk for me. My ears are old. Maybe, I'm not bilingual just yet. My bilingual skills haven't popped in. So I don't have to worry about listening to a Spanish session. I have the opportunity to plug into a system. Okay, we all know systems are designed to save us time, energy, and stress, right? Or time, stress, and money, or however that acronym goes. We understand it. It's there, it's laid out, and it works. All right. So with that being said, we want to master, right? We want to master the space that we're in. We want to dominate the space that we're in. Okay, and we want to learn a strategy by one of these brilliant educators that are dropping gems for us multiple times out the week. Okay, this is how we get to our goal, right? With the plan of getting an educator, right? Picking a schedule that fits, tuning in with them. And guess what? Everything is so strategically convenient that even if we miss the session, that live session that our educators are on, everything is recorded. Everything is on demand. Everything can be utilized from your cell phone. Okay, when I talk about a plan to succeed and not a plan to fail, I'm talking about I Am Mastery Academy, family. I'm talking about Powerhouse Investments LLC. I'm talking about Project 100 before 25. I'm talking about, listen, I'm trying to definitely transition from one space to the other. It's difficult, it's emotional, it's scary, but it is what it is, right? And with that being said, I'm excited. I'm learning. I'm stretching myself. My imagination is being expanded in ways that I could not even imagine. And it's all because I'm now in a space where I can be intentional. Okay, baby. I can be intentional about my success. I don't have anyone else to have to dictate my success or how far I can go or how fast I can get there or how much I can make in a process. Absolutely not. Okay. Couple things to remember. One thing to remember is we have different tools, right? It's like when you build in a house, you have multiple tools that you need in order for that house to become your dream crib, okay? One thing, you always want to check the news before you are trading. I'm not talking about just like our local news. I'm talking about our Forex Factory news, okay? Forexfactory.com. You definitely want to check the news to find out what's going on and how the market can be affected as a result of that news, okay? Number 2, you want to always remember you are investing, not gambling. Okay, this is not I hope. Come on, 7. No, this is not that. Slot one more time. No, this is not that. You are an investor. You are a visionary. Okay, you have an eye for something that is going to be wonderful, right? Our CEO, Christopher Terry and Isis Delatorre, they had a vision, right, that we could be empowered. Right? 1 million of us can be empowered, enriched, and educated in a space that we were not invited to. But we're here, okay? We're here. And we are definitely creating generational wealth, not just for this generation, but our kids. And then them other ones that come along as well, okay? Number 3. Remember that you're in it for the long term. This is not a scratch off ticket. Okay, this is not popcorn results. Investing, first of all, I want you to do your homework first. Do your homework first, and then you will understand that investing, okay, it definitely has a time frame in it. Yes, can you begin to see returns on your investment within 24 hours in this space? You absolutely can. But in terms of you learning how to be self-sufficient and you learning how to do this on your own, that learning curve is going to be longer than 24 hours. All right. The next thing that you definitely need to remember is that making money 1,000 days in a row, I want you to do the math on that. I don't even care what the amount is that you profit, right? When you are able to make money 1,000 days in a row here, you are dominating in this sector, okay? And that's just the real thing. Utilizing the products. Listen, we have cutting edge technology. We have things here in I Am Mastery Academy that you can't do anything but win. We have notifications that come straight to your phone in terms of trade ideas. We have master traders that have dedicated over 10,000 hours of training and education to make sure that they give us their very best, right? We have cutting edge technology. The Go Live allows you to interact with these educators in real time, right? We're global. Okay, we're global, and we've been in this space for about 8 years now. I think this is year number 8 where we've been in this space, right? We're not going nowhere. Okay, I'm talking about mentorship. We have when I say the best of the best in this space, okay, we're partnered with mentorship. We're partnered with Bob Proctor, family. Bob Proctor. You can get direct mentorship from Bob Proctor. That is a big deal. That man has been in the game longer than most people watching this video have even been on Earth. That's a real deal. That's like a big deal. Okay, so you also want to know the pairs that you are trading. You want to know when the best times it is for those pairs to move. There's 4 different time zones, right? So you want to make sure that you are, again, intentional about your success. If you're trading USD pairs, and you want to know when the New York market is open. If you're trading, you know, a different denomination, then you want to be educated on when that particular currency is moving, so that you're not stuck in trades all day. Like, you're not doing this all day, right? And never over leverage, family. There's never a need to over leverage, because why? The money is not going anywhere. The money is not going anywhere. I promise you, $8 trillion a day. That's all you have to tell yourself when you think about over leveraging, when you think about over trading, when you think about, when you think about different things, the fact that you're not gambling, you're here, and this is where the money resides. Okay, this is where the money resides. So because this is where the money resides, you can show up with your chin up, right, your back straight, knowing that you came to get the bag, and the bag you shall get. Okay, so family, I thank you so much. 22 minutes and counting, well, 21 minutes and counting. I hope this trading plan, 5 tips really helped you in your progress and your process to making sure you secure the bag within this space. All right, again, my name is Bianca Turner. Please follow me on IG. It is Bianca_Turner_, and on Facebook it is Bianca Turner. All right, peace out.